What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Steve Shop video. Today we have this Brute Briggs & Stratton mower with us. First thing is this wheel. We need to fix that. We just need to tighten it up and adjust it, which is the good part. And apparently it's been sitting in this lady's backyard for multiple years. So let's clean this up and see if we can get it fixed. So the first thing we're going to do is try and start it. So I'm going to get some starting fluid in here and see if it will start. Okay, so we got starting fluid in there. Filter doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look great though. So let's see if this thing will go. Okay, let's see if this thing will run. Okay, so it can run. It doesn't sound great, but it doesn't sound bad. So we're probably gonna have to do a quick carb clean, check that out. And then just clean this off and fix the wheel and it should be good. Okay, so let's clean it up and try and fix the wheel. Okay, we got the pressure washer all set up and let's clean this thing. Okay guys, just got the mower all cleaned up. It's looking really nice. Wheel's still jacked up though, we're gonna have to fix that. But yeah, the mower's looking really good. Cleaned it all up. So now let's bring it to the shop and get the wheel fixed. I also cleaned the underside of the mower. I did not take a video of this because it's kind of hard to show a video of cleaning the underside of a mower. So, yeah, this is the underside. Looks way nicer. Saw some grass in the back there, but it's okay. That can just be pulled right out. So, yeah, it's all clean, and let's give this a shot. Before we bring it in to fix a wheel, we're going to see if this can start without starting fluid. Seems like it can, and it runs pretty well. So yeah, let's just fix up the wheel and it'll be ready to sell. So as you guys can see, this wheel is pretty messed up. It's just free motion, not good at all. So what we're gonna do is take this part off and try and tighten it up and connect those to where they need to go. So let's work on getting this wheel off. Okay guys, we got the wheel off. I did not video it because it took like a lot of time and it was really hard to do. This is the wheel, has gears and stuff, then the washer and bolt that goes to it. So yeah, now we have to look at this part, and the problem with this is it's just like really wobbly. So we think that there needs to be a washer right in between here or in between here. So we don't really know, so I'm gonna keep doing some looking and update you guys when it's ready. Okay guys, we found a washer deep inside here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So what we have to do is try and get that out and refit it. We just refit the washer. The washer was way underneath the wheel and needed to be right here where my fingernail is. And we just got that put back on, so now we have to get the wheel on. I did not record getting the wheel on because it takes a really long time to record. So the wheel is on right now, and it is not loose at all. It is perfectly good, just the exact same as this one. So I'm really happy with it. And as you guys can see, it rolls perfectly fine. You can move it up and it doesn't fall down. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. The only problem that we have left is the problem of it not sounding too good when it goes to mow. So what we're going to do is change the fuel line. The fuel line right now is this one. Has a pretty small hole, which I think is the problem. And that is because the gas can't flow through as easy, and it doesn't have as much gas because the fuel line, the hole is small, so the fuel is limited of how much can go through at a time. So what we're going to do is take this old one I found, which has a much bigger hole, and we're going to put it on instead. And that should let the carburetor get a consistent amount of gas that's not as limited as the other fuel line. And then we can test it out, and it'll hopefully make it sound better. Okay, guys, we got the lawnmower and wheel all hooked up and ready. So we're going to see if it can start and if the self-propelled works. Seemed really good, ran well, and the self-propelled worked, so I'm really happy with it. If you guys like what you saw, make sure to subscribe and check out some of my newer videos because this one is actually quite a bit older. I never ended up posting it until just now, so I've upgraded a lot, so make sure to go check out some of those new ones. Thanks for watching.